Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I remove my dip powder using acetone and some nice hot water. These are the supplies you're going to be needing. You're going to need some acetone, or I use this soak off from Onyx. You really do want to use something strong enough to remove acrylic, and that would be strong enough to remove the dip powder. The next item you're going to be needing is a Ziploc baggie. I use this one from Walmart, and you just need something that is big enough to go ahead and put your hand into. The next item you'll need is a bowl. This is like a soak-off bowl, but I don't use the top part. I only use the bottom part, the bowl part. I got most of these items off of Amazon. Whatever I got from Amazon, I'll go ahead and link it down below. That way you can check them out. The next item is these lint-free nail wipes. You need something that has a little bit of texture to scrub your nail while you're soaking it. You'll also be needing an e-file or a hand file. I prefer to use an e-file just because it's a lot easier. And the bit that I'm using is a coarse bit. I'll go ahead and link all of this down in the description bar. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I begin by removing the top layer of the dip powder down. I drill it down, or you can file it down with a hand file. Just the top layer. It doesn't have to be anything too serious. Just something to remove the seal and let the acetone penetrate. That way the dip powder can dissolve. I'm going to go ahead and file down all of my nails. Once I remove the top layer, this is what it's looking like. Then I went ahead and filled up the bowl with hot water. I put as hot as I can handle. Just go ahead and do as hot as you can handle as well. And you want to put the acetone in the Ziploc baggie, just enough to cover all of your nails. It doesn't have to be filled all the way through. You don't want to waste your acetone. And then you're going to put the lint-free wipe in the baggie as well. And you're going to place the bag with the acetone inside the hot water. And you're going to let that soak. And while it's soaking, what I'm doing is scrubbing my nails and making sure I'm removing the dip powder with the scrubber. It kind of just acts magically and dissolves the dip powder. It's really simple, really easy to remove. The whole process takes about 10 minutes, and you can do both hands at the same time. Here, just for showing, just for YouTube purposes, I did a one hand at a time. For the most part, I like to do both of the hands. That way I can get it all done within 10 minutes. So you're just going to keep scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. It's going to be a little bit like tacky in the beginning, just when it starts dissolving. But once you have it all removed, it won't feel tacky at all. And you're going to do that the whole entire time while your hand is in the hot water. As you can tell here is I'm like about halfway through and most of it has come off. And because I do have the natural powder underneath the color, it does take a little bit longer. But if you just have or three layers of the color, it shouldn't take as long. And then I went and put in another one of these lint-free wipes just because that other one was kind of tearing off. So feel free to add more wipes if as needed. And here is the finished process. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so by clicking that red subscription down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and stay blessed. Bye.